morning everybody, we are back and this is 2nd of February 2024. It's our first ride to Krabi, or I'll say Thailand, for 2024. And right now it's actually 12:45. So we are heading straight from Singapore right up to Krabi. We're not so sure which border we're going to take, maybe Wang Kalian, maybe Sadao. We'll see the situation later. So together with me, we have Sajiv.
Hello, it's been a long while. We're back again.
And we have Nizam.
Hello.
Together we are the adventure nomads. So, let's go. Hello guys, so now we are at Tapa. We made a stop at Aikero, and after Aikero now we are at Tapa. At the time it's 4:50. So we have another about 280 kilometers to Bukit Kayu Hitam, where we will do our insurance and paperwork, and then we will see which border we can go. Either Wang Kalian or Bukit Kayu Hitam, Sadao. We'll see. We may want to take Wang Kalian for the change. So let's have some coffee and let's carry on. Okay, time check now. We have just reached Bukit Kayu Hitam Caltex. We are here to do our insurance and TM2, TM3 forms. What time is it?
One moment, please.
The bikes are very dirty. See?
It's 7:55.
So it's 7:55 right now. We have actually decided to go to Wang Kalian border. So we will do our insurance, blah blah blah, and whatever. TM2, TM3. Then we're right. It's about 57 kilometers, so about an hour. It's a first time experience for us over there, so we're going to check it out.
Yep.
Okay.
Wang Kalian is something new, so we're going to try going through that border instead of Sadao, because we've been through Sadao quite a number of times.
Yeah.
But I think it's about time we try something different, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll update you. Alright, okay, we have just completed our customs paper, the form, and leak. And so if you go by Sadao border, you go this way. Wang Kalian and Padang Besar. So right now we are at the Malaysia side of the checkpoint at Wang Kalian, waiting to chop our passports, and after that it's Thailand. So I got to stop the video here because it's not permitted to take any video. So for bikers, you need to stop the bike here, and then you need to walk over to this counter here and then get your passport chopped. Unlike the car, you can't just wait from here. You need to park the bike, go there, get a passport chopped, come back and go to the Thai side. So now we're going to the Thai side. Okay, we chopped up Malaysia. Now into Thailand. So now we are entering into Thailand, Wang Kalyang border. So right now we are in Wang Kalyang, Thailand border, Satun border. We have just cleared the immigrations, the TM2, TM3, and import export. So as you can see behind me, so normally you just come and park your bikes around here, and then you need to go to the immigration counter down there and get all your insurance done. And the import export is on the other side. You see? There. And import export is the other side. So now we are in Thailand. Let's go. Krabi.
Cheers!
Okay, now welcome to Satun, Thailand. So we took the Wang Kalyang border with Satun, and now we're in. The process was very, very fast. I think it took us like about 10 minutes, and we are in Thailand. So now the plan is to go to Route 41 Cowboy to have something to eat, and then we should be heading to Krabi. Fine weather, and it's time. Let's go. Oh, okay. So right now we are at Route 41 Patalong. The usual place we always come to have our breakfast, lunch kind of thing. What time is it?
11:10.
Thai time,
Yeah.
So
Yes.
Thailand time is 11:10. Singapore time is
12:10.
12:10. So we're gonna have our makan, and then we'll go to Krabi.